Come check it out. It's pretty neat.
Check it out.
He makes all those kind of things. Did you want? Yeah, look at those things. Makes it with fire and steel.
Look what he's doing right now. Got the fire.
Did he make this?
Yup, he made that stuff right there. Look how it's pretty and twisted.
Yeah.
What do you think you would use that for, Emma? Look at the piece of steel you've got. That's glowing.
Oh my god.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
He's shaping it.
It's super hot.
I'm trying to square it up.
So it's supposed to be straight, but it's getting darker and darker.
Yeah, I mean, it's not as warm, right? When it's glowing, that means it's super hot.
But it's not glowing anymore.
No?
You know what that smell reminds me of? I grew up in Frankfurt where they had old converters, they were steamers, hand fired with coal.
That smell.
That's what that smells like.
Yep, I remember that. Oh, be careful. Yeah, see the ones there with the points on it? You know what they use these for?
Hey.
See that fish? And there's a fish over there. They would shoot those through the water and they'd catch the fish that way. They speared them.
Hard.
It was hard.
This is like a walleye or a pike or something.
It might be a pike, and then the other one would be a muskie over there to the left.
Oh, yeah,
Yep.
yeah. Freshwater.
But yeah, if you go by the theater, when you get back that way, there's like pictures over there of like local people on Skigmog Point that actually use like the Samels spears to get the muskies out of Skigmog and
Okay.
yep, yeah,
Emma.
yep, pretty neat.
You know,
Mini for
But she
Halloween.
hasn't.
I've got one of those.
A forge?
Got one of those, not a fork, but that roll it back.
Oh yeah, yeah, yep,
And it's not on anything, it's just there.
yep,
And you crank that, and I'm telling you, it blows the air.
right.
Well, I was gonna use that on a small motor with a bigger flywheel and hook it up to my turkey hat.
Yeah, there you go.
To square it up.
And I had a box stove just like that was in my house, and I'm telling you, it heated great.
Yep. You guys having fun today?
Yeah.
Pretty neat, isn't it? Did you get to go on the horses yet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
First
cool.
thing. I got.
Oh, really?
Yeah. First thing. That's 15.
Wow.
There now.
Yeah,
It's sitting on kind of a tripod stand, man.
right. Well, you guys have fun.
You guys.
Lots of stuff to do.